We're going to be using another physics classroom simulation today called Graphs and Ramps. So launch the graphs and ramps, expand to full size, and you're going to see these descriptions of distance versus time graphs and speed versus time graphs. You're going to be making the motions for both types of graphs. So let's look at this one for constant speed. Down here I'm given a graph, and this green line is my goal. I want to match this green line. So if I'm going to have a constant speed, then I can't have my ramp accelerating the ball by having it go up or down. And I can give the ball a launch speed. Then I hit start. And there I don't have it fast enough. So I'm going to continue to work adjusting the speed until I get it fast enough. Once you do get it correct, you're going to be able to see your stars that you have accumulated. Please do a screenshot of your stars and include something original to you, unique to you in the screenshot so that we know you did it. Have a good day.